Hi friends, RRB Clerical Mains paper number 31 explanation quantitative aptitude. So look at question number 161 onwards. Each of the questions below consist of a question on three statements, means data sufficiency. Is the average of P, Q, R and S is equal to R? Is the average of P, Q, R and S is equal to R? Means P plus Q plus R plus S average means by 4 is equal to R. The question is here. First statement, all numbers are positive integers. So positive integers means it might be 1, 2, 3, 4 or else 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it might be, all are positive integers. Suppose if we take all these values 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 by 4 means 2.5, that is decimal. We can't say with first statement. Second statement, R minus S is equal to P minus R is equal to Q. R minus S is equal to P minus R is equal to Q. From this we can write down P is equal to Q plus R. P is equal to Q plus R. Q as usual, R as usual, and R minus S is equal to P minus R. From this we can write down S is equal to R minus S is equal to Q. R minus S is equal to Q. Then S is equal to R minus Q. S is equal to R minus Q from these two equations. R minus S is equal to Q. Then S is equal to R minus Q by 4. Minus Q plus Q will get cancelled. R plus R plus R, 3R plus still Q is left. Still Q is left by 4 is equal to R. 4R is equal to 3R plus Q. R is equal to Q. If R is equal to Q, then only we can say average of P, Q, R, S is equal to R. Then only we can say, means from second statement, okay, we are able to find the answer from second statement. Second statement we can say the answer when if R is equal to Q. If R is equal to Q. Third one, any one out of the three numbers is an odd number, no use. So actually from the given options we can see that from second statement only we can say the answer. First option is your answer. What is the area of the right angular triangle? Area of the right angular triangle. The ratio between height and base of the triangle is 12 is to 5. 12 parts, 5 parts means definitely hypotenuse is 13 parts. First statement not possible. Area of the triangle is equal to area of the square whose side is 4 centimeters. Area of the triangle is equal to area of the square whose side is 4 centimeters. Side of the square is 4 means area of the square is 16. That is nothing but area of the triangle they given here. Actually second statement alone we can say, but second statement alone there is no option here. Yes, fifth option only statement 2 is sufficient. Third one, the perimeter of the triangle is 60. Perimeter of the triangle is 60 means sum of all the sides is 60. 12 plus 13 plus 5, 30 parts value 60. 30 parts value 60 means 1 part value 2. Then 13 2s are 26, 5 2s are 10, 12 2s are 24. Area means half into base into height, 24 into 10. By combining 1 and 3 also we can see the answer. But if in the second statement, this is triangle, but in the question is right angle triangle, so we can't mix here right angle triangle and triangle. Both are same or may not be same. So, but 1 and 3 we can say the answer directly. 1 and 3 we can say the answer. What is Sai Kumar's share of profit in the business? Sai Kiran joined after 4 months with a capital of 1 lakh and got 8,000 as his share of profit. Sai Charan started the business with 95,000. Sai Kumar joined him after 4 months. Okay, after 4 months. I don't know what is the time period. We don't know what is the total profit also. It is not possible to get the answer. Option 5. What is the salary of Akil in a group of Akil, Bharat, Sri? Kranti and Praveen, whose average salary 50,000. So average salary 50,000, Akhil's salary we need to calculate. Salaries of Bharat and Sri is 1,04,600. Akhil we need to calculate. Bharat and Sri they given, but I don't know Kranti and Praveen is how much. Average salary of Kranti and Akhil is 2,000 more than average salary of Sri and Praveen. Total salary of Kranti and Praveen is 98,800. Third statement, Kranti and Praveen. First statement, Bharat and Sri, means by combining 1 and 3 we can say Akhil is how much. By combining 1 and 3 we can say Akhil is how much. First statement. First option is your answer. What is the capacity of the cylindrical water tank? Capacity means volume. Volume of the cylinder means pi r square h. The area of the base of the cylinder is 1400 and its height is 24. So 1400 into 24, 1 alone possible. Height of the cylinder is 35, not possible. Radius of the base is 0.5 times of its height, where height is 28. Third statement alone also possible, either 1 or 3. This is statement 1 and 3. No, this is statement 1 or 3 is sufficient. 1 or 3 is sufficient. Next. Caselet. 3 dealers P, Q and R sold 3 different mobile companies, Vivo, MI and Oppo. Total 1800 mobiles. Vivo, MI, Oppo. All together 1800 mobiles. 3 dealers are there, dealer P, dealer Q, dealer R. Number of Vivo mobiles sold by dealer P. Vivo mobiles sold by dealer P is 12% of the total number of systems sold by all 3 dealers. All 3 dealers 1800. In that 12%, 10% 180, 2% 36, total 216. Next. And the total number of all mobiles sold by dealer Q is 600. Total number of all mobiles sold by dealer Q is 600, which is 400 more than the number of MI mobiles sold by dealer P. 400 more than means if MI mobiles are 400 lesser than Q, means MI mobiles are 200. Next. The number of MI mobiles sold by dealer Q is 100% of the Vivo mobiles sold by dealer P. So here dealer Q MI also 200 only. Number of MI mobiles sold by dealer R is 150% of the number of MI mobiles sold by dealer Q. So 150% means this is 300. MI mobiles of Q is 100% of the Vivo mobiles of dealer P. Sorry, Vivo mobiles of dealer P. So Vivo 216, then here MI also 216. Next, MI mobiles sold by dealer R is 150% of the MI mobiles sold by dealer Q. So dealer Q MI 216, in that 150% means 324. 324. That is MI mobiles. Next, total number of mobiles are sold by dealer R is 50 more than the total number of mobiles are sold by dealer Q. So dealer R 600, dealer Q is 600, R 50 extra means 650. Out of 1800, 650 plus 600, 1250 is over. Out of 1800, already 1250 is over. Still we left with 550. Out of 550, here 200 plus 214, total 416 is over. Out of 550, 416 is over. Remaining 134 are Oppo mobiles. 134 are Oppo mobiles. Next. Total number of Vivo mobiles are sold by all 3 dealers is equal to the total number of Oppo mobiles are sold by all those dealers. Vivo mobiles, Oppo mobiles all are equal. See, first of all, MI mobiles 216, 324, 300, 200, 500, 200, 700, 700, 16, 24, 40. MI mobiles are 740 out of 1800. Out of 1800, MI mobiles are 740 means remaining 1060 belongs to these Vivo and Oppo. Vivo and Oppo both are same. 1060 half means 530, 530. Total 530 and then 530. Next, the number of Oppo mobiles sold by dealer R. Oppo mobiles sold by dealer R is 46 more than the number of Oppo mobiles sold by dealer P. Dealer P Oppo mobiles. Okay. Dealer P Oppo 134. Dealer R is 46 extra. 134 plus 46 means 180. 134 46 more means 180. Okay. Total 530. Out of 530, already I am having 134 plus 180. So 100 plus 100, 200. 30 plus 80, 310. 100, 100, 200, 80 plus 30, 110, 310, 314 is over. Remaining 216. Remaining 216 belongs to Oppo mobiles of dealer Q. Next. Total 600. Out of 600, already 216, 216, 432 I am having. Already 216, 216, 432 I am having. So remaining belongs to Vivo of dealer Q. 600 minus 432, 168. 600 minus 432 means 168. Out of 530, 216 plus 168, remaining belongs to Vivo of dealer R. 200, 100, 300, 10, 60, 70, 370, 6 plus 8, 14, 384. 384 means there is 16, here 130, 144. 144. So this is the number of mobiles. Look at the question. What is the total number of Oppo mobiles sold by dealer P and R? Oppo, P and R. 134 plus 180, 314. 314. Next. Number of MI mobiles sold by dealer R and number of Vivo mobiles sold by dealer Q. Dealer R MI mobiles 324. And dealer Q Vivo mobiles, dealer Q Vivo 168. 300, 100, 400, 60, 20, 80, 480, 8 plus 4, 12, 492. Or what percentage of the total number of mobiles sold by dealer Q? Dealer Q total number of mobiles are 600. So what percent means 82%. 82%. What is the ratio of the number of Oppo mobiles sold by dealer Q? Dealer Q Oppo mobiles are 216. 2. Difference between the number of MI and Oppo mobiles sold by dealer R. MI and Oppo mobiles sold by dealer R difference. So 324 minus 180 means 144. 144. 72 3 times, 72 2 times, 3 is to 2 is your answer. Next. What are the total number of Vivo mobiles sold by 3 dealers and total number of Oppo mobiles sold by 3 dealers? Vivo 3 dealers 530, Oppo 3 dealers 530, together 1060. What is the difference between the total number of MI mobiles sold by 3 dealers and total number of all mobiles sold by dealer P? MI mobiles 3 dealers are 740. All mobiles sold by dealer P 550. 740 minus 550 means 190 is your answer. Next, see. A man covers a certain distance on cycle. Had he moved 4 kilometers per hour faster, he would have taken half minute less. A man covers a certain distance on cycle. Had he moved 4 kilometers per hour faster, speed, time, 4 kilometers per hour faster, he would have taken half minute less. Half minute less. If he had moved 2 kilometers per hour slower, he work would have taken a half minute more. Half minute more. Find the distance. Apply the shortcut directly. Cross multiplications. Half into s, s by 2 plus 4. Sorry, first one. Minus 1 by 2 into s means minus s by 2 plus 4t is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 means 2 only. Next one, 1 by 2 into s means s by 2 minus 2t is equal to minus 2 into 1 by 2 means 1. While taking the distance means speed into time, ignore the symbol. 2 into 1 by 2 means 1. 4 into 1 by 2 means 2. So s into minus 1 by 2. So minus s by 2 plus 4t. S into plus 1 by 2 means s by 2 minus 2t. So minus s by 2 plus s by 2 get cancelled. 4t minus 2t means 2t is equal to 3 hours. T is equal to 1.5 hours. Just substitute the t value of 1.5 there. So minus 2 into 1.5 means minus 3. Move into right side plus 3. S by 2 is equal to 4. Then s is equal to 8. Distance means speed into time. 8 into 1.5. 12 kilometers is your answer. 12 kilometers is your answer. Next. Amar, Bhavan and Sharath can do a piece of work in 8 days, 12 days and 16 days respectively. How soon can the work be done if Amar is assisted by Bhavan and Sharath on alternate days? LCM of 8 to 12 16. LCM of 8 to 12 16. 48 units. A can do 48 units in 8 days, per day 6 units. Bhavana can do 48 units in 12 days, per day 4 units. Sharath can do 48 units in 16 days, per day 3 units. 3, 6, 4, 3. How soon can the work is completed if Amar is assisted by Bhavan and Sharath on alternate days? So on first day, Amar and Bharat can do 10 units. On second day, Amar and Sharath can do 9 units. First day plus second day means in 2 days, they together can do 19 units. We need to calculate 48 units are done by them in how many days? 48 units we can write it as 38 units plus 10 units. 19 units are in 2 days, then 38 units are in 4 days, plus 10 units are left. Those 10 units are done by the pair who is working on 5th day. On 5th day, A and B can work. A and B can do 10 units. We are also left with 10 units only. Those 10 units are done by them in 1 day. So total work can be completed in 5 days. Answer is 5 days. Next. The area of a square is 8 square meters lesser than half of the area of a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 18 meters and breadth is 6 meters lesser than its length. Length is 18 meters. Breadth is 6 meters lesser than the length means 12. Area of a square is 8 square meters lesser than half of the area of the rectangle. Half of the area of the rectangle means LB by 2. 18 into 12 by 2. 2 9 times 108 is half of the area of the rectangle. Area of the square is 8 square meters lesser than half of the area of the rectangle. So area of the square is 100. Side of the square is 10. Perimeter of the square means 4a. 4 tens are 40 is your answer. Next. A vessel contains 63 liters of mixture of milk and water. A vessel contains 63 liters of mixture of milk and water. The ratio of milk and water in the ratio of 5:4. 5 plus 4, 9 parts value 63, 1 part value 7, 5 sevens are 35, 4 sevens are 28. 18 liters of the mixture is taken out. 18 liters were also taken out in the ratio of 5:4 only. 5 plus 4, 9 parts value 18, 1 part value 2 liters. 5 twos are 10, 4 twos are 8 liters are taken out. And then 5 liters of water is added to it. What will be the percentage of milk in the final mixture? Remaining milk is 25, remaining water also 25. 1:1, percentage of milk is 50%. Here bar chart shows working male and female population in various cities. Working male and female population in various cities. Pie chart shows total income. Pie chart shows the total income. Okay, 18, 22, 25, 35. Okay. All are in degrees. Better to convert degrees into percentages. Better to convert degrees into percentages. Degrees into percentages. 36 degree means 10%. 14.4 degrees means 4%. 72 degree means 20%. 50.4 50.4 means 36 plus 14, 50.4 only. 10 plus 4, 14%. 14%. Then 57.6 means 50.4 plus 7.2. 7.2 degree means 2%. 14 plus 2, 16%. 129.6 means 72 plus 57.6. 20 plus 16, 36% Delhi. First one. Which city income per working person is maximum? Bangalore 10%. Out of 35 plus 25, 60. 1 by 6 means 16%. Bangalore. Hyderabad 4% out of 20. 4 by 20 means 20% only. Delhi 36 by 80. 36 by 80. 4 9 times, 4 20 times. 9 by 20 means 45%. Delhi. Chennai 16 by 40. 16 by 40 means 8 2 times, 8 5 times. 40% Chennai. Mumbai 20 by 60. 1/3 means 33.33%. Mumbai. Next one Kolkata 14 by 60. 14 by 60 means around 25% approximately. Maximum means 45. Third city, third means Delhi. Maximum is in Delhi. Next. What is the difference between the number of working female in Bangalore? Working female in Bangalore 25. Number of working males in Chennai 18. 25 plus 8, 25 plus 22 47. 25 plus 22 47. So the number of working females in Chennai 18. Number of working females in Hyderabad 10 28. 47 minus 28 means 19 lakhs. What is the ratio of the average working male and average working female population of given 6 cities? Male 35 10 45 40 85 85 25 110 110 30 140 22 162. That is male. Female 25 10 35 40 75 35 75 35 110 140 140 plus 18 158. 281 times 279 times 81 is to 79. Next, in Bangalore, what is the difference between the income of males and that of females? In Bangalore, what is the difference between the income of males and that of females? Okay, in Bangalore. Bangalore, male and female are in the ratio of 35 is to 25, 5 sevens are 5 fives are. Bangalore, it is 10% of 300 crores. 10% of 300 crores means 30 lakhs. Out of this 30 lakhs, we need to find the difference of male and female. Males are 7 parts, females are 5 parts. Difference is 2 parts out of 12 parts. 1 by 6 means difference is 5 lakhs. The number of working females in Mumbai 35 is what percentage of the number of working males in Bangalore? In Bangalore, working males are 35, 100%. If the number of working females in Mumbai is 30, okay, 30 by 35 into 100. 5 6 times, 5 7 times. 1 by 7 means 14, 2 by 7. 6 by 7 means 6 14s are 84, 6 2s are 12. So 12 means extra, 5 extra, 85, 5 by 7. Next, quadratic equations. 21s are 20, 4 5s are 20, plus 4 plus 5, finally minus 4 minus 5. 48 1s are 48, 8 6 are 48, minus 8 minus 6. Greater than, greater than, greater than, greater than, x greater than y. 36 1s are 36, 9 4s are 36, minus 9 minus 4, finally plus 9 plus 4. 42 1s are 42, 7 6 are 42, plus 7 plus 6. Greater than, less than, no relation. 35 9 times. 35 9 times. 9 30s are 270, or else 35 into 9. 35 means 7 5 times. 9 means 3 3 times. 7 3s are 21, 5 3s are 15. Plus 21 plus 15 will give us plus 36. Finally minus 21 minus 15. Minus 21 by 9 means minus 7 by 3. Minus 15 by 9 means minus 5 by 3. 28 4s are 112. 16 7s are 112, plus 16 plus 7 is plus 23. Finally minus 16 minus 7. Minus 16 by 4 means minus 4 minus 7 by 4. Minus 4 minus 7 by 4. Greater than 21 28. Less than, no relation. 144 1s are 144. Plus 12 plus 12, finally minus 12. X values are minus 12. Y square is equal to 144. Y is plus or minus 12. Equal, less than, x less than or equals to y. Root x is equal to 4th root of 625. Means root x is equal to 5. X is equal to 25. X is equal to 25. Next, 10 buckets of water fill a tank when the capacity of each bucket is 12.5 liters. Each bucket 12.5 liters. 10 buckets means total capacity 125 liters. Then how many buckets will be needed to fill the same tank if the capacity of each bucket is 5 liters? Total capacity 125 liters. Each bucket 5 liters means 25 buckets are required. 1 equal to 2. Next, 33,075 is quantity 1. Quantity 2. Rosie invested 30,000 at interest 10% per annum for 1 year. If interest is compounded every 6 months, what amount will Rosie get at the end of the year? For 1 year 10% means half year 5%. 5% of 30,000. 1500. First 6 months 1500. Next 6 months 1500. Again 5% of 1500 means 75. Interest is 3075. Then amount is 33,075. 1 equal to 2. In how many ways of this? Sorry, a committee of 8 persons is to be formed from 6 men and 5 women. 6 men, 5 women. A committee of 8 members is to be formed. Quantity 1. How many ways of this committee? The women are in majority. Women are in majority means suppose if all 6 men are there, sorry, 6 women are there, sorry, women are in majority. Suppose if all 5 are women, the remaining 3 members are from men. Suppose if 4 are women, the remaining 4 are from men. This is not possible. Why? Because women should be in majority. So women should be in majority means only one possibility. All 5 are women, the remaining 3 are men. Only first case only possible. If 4 women, men are 4. Means both are equal. But the question is women are in majority. Quantity 1. Quantity 2. In how many ways this can be done? If at least 4 men to have to be included in a committee, minimum 4 men to be included. So minimum 4 men means 64, remaining 4 are women. Minimum 4 men means 5 also men, 6 also men, 7 also men is a possibility. 7 men not possible. Why? Because we have only 6 men. So suppose if 5 are men's, remaining 3 are women's. If 6 are men's, remaining 2 are women's. These are the 3 cases in quantity 2. Only 1 case in quantity 1. Obviously 1 less than 2 is your answer. We need to add these 3 values. But there is only one value. 1 less than 2 is your answer. Next, 2 years. Renuka's present age is 7/6 times of her age at the time of her marriage. Renuka's present age is 7/6 times of her age at the time of her marriage, and she got married 4 years ago. So 4 years ago Renuka means R minus 4. 6R is equal to 7R minus 28. From this we can write down Renuka equal to 28. Age of her son is 1/14th of her current age, then her son's age is how much? So 1/14th of 28, her son's age is also 2 years, 1 equal to 2. X is to Z equal to 3 is to 1, Z is to Y equal to 4 is to 3. X is to Z is equal to 3 is to 1, Z is to Y is equal to 4 is to 3. Then X is to Z is to Y nothing but 3 4s are 12, 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3. What is the ratio between Y is to X? Y is to X means 3/12, 1/4. 3/12, 1/4. Or else we can say simply X by Z is equal to 3/1. Z by Y is equal to 4/3. Multiply these two. X by Z into Z by Y is equal to 3/1 into 4/3. 3 gets cancelled, Z cancelled. X by Y is equal to 4/1, but Y by X is equal to 1/4. Y by X is equal to 1/4. Quantity 2. A shopkeeper gives one item free with every 19 items. Every 19 items, one item free means total 20 items are there. Out of 20 items, one item freely we got. So discount percentage is 5%. And a discount of 5% is also offered to the trader. A discount of again 5%. Already 5%. Again 5% means overall discount is 5 plus 5 minus 5% of 5. 9.75% is the overall discount. Still the shopkeeper gains 50.5%. So overall 9.75% discount given means remaining 90.25% of MRP is equal to 50.5% profit means 150.5% of cost to price. Find the ratio of the cost price to MRP. Cost price to MRP means 90.25 by 150.5. Obviously 1 less than 2. 1 less than 2. Why? Because that is 1/4. 1/4 means around 25%. But this is around more than 50%. 1 less than 2 is your answer. P and Q are two pipes such that P can empty the tank in 60 minutes. Q can fill the tank in 40 minutes. Q can fill the tank in 40 minutes. LCM of 60, 40, 120 liters. P can empty 120 liters in 60 minutes. In 1 hour it can empty 2 liters. Q can fill 40 minutes. 120 liters in 40 minutes. In 1 minute 3 liters. The tank is full of water, completely full of water. P is opened. After 12 minutes. So in 12 minutes, P can empty 24 liters of water. After 12 minutes, pipe Q is also opened. Then how much total time the tank will be full again? So P plus Q together can fill 1 liter in 1 minute. There are 24 liters empty, we need to refill it. So 1 liter in 1 minute means the remaining 24 liters we can fill in 24 minutes only. 24 minutes. Population of two villages P and Q are in the ratio of 5:7 respectively. If the population of village Q increased by 20,000 and the population of village P remains unchanged, the respective ratio of their population becomes 25:36. Only P unchanged, only Q increased by 20,000. Then the ratio is 25:36. What is the population of village P? See, there is P unchanged, so multiply the first equation with 5. 5 5s are 35, sorry, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Initial population. P unchanged, but Q increased by 20,000. 35 became 36 means one part increases. That one part value 20,000. P population 25 parts. 25 parts means 5 lakhs is your answer. 5 lakhs is your answer. Next. A man has 896 pens and he categorized all the pens into 3 types such that he earns a profit of 12%, 16% and 20% respectively on each type. He earned 13% profit on the first 2 types. 12%, 16% on first 2 types, 13%. And 15% on all types. Find the number of pens. So 16 minus 3, 3, 13 minus 12, 1. First and second category are in the ratio of 3:1. First and second category are in the ratio of 3:1. That is fulfilled in second option. So our answer is second option. 161 times 160 3 times. So next. There is a vessel holding 50 liters of milk. 5 liters of the milk initially taken out from the vessel and 7 liters of water is poured in it. 50 liters, 5 liters are taken out. So remaining milk is 45 liters and 7 liters of water is poured in it. Total I am having 52 liters mixture. After this, 4 liters of the mixture is taken out. After this, 4 liters of the mixture is taken out. So in that 4 liters of the mixture, milk is there, water is there. Total quantity 52 liters. Out of this 52 liters, 4 liters of the mixture is taken out. Just go with approximation. So 52, 4 liters means around 8%. So here also 8% is taken out. Means around 3.6 taken out. 0.4 taken out. Approximately, not exactly. Sorry, only 4 liters of the mixture is taken out. So the remaining milk is 40.4. Remaining water is 6.6. And finally added with 8 liters of water plus 8 liters of water. This is 40.4 still. 6.6 plus 8.8. 6.6 plus 8. 14.6, that is water. Total quantity 40 plus 14, 55 liters. Total quantity 55 liters approximately. And finally 8 liters of the mixture is taken out and 10 liters of water is added. How much of the milk is there? In this 55 liters, approximately 8 liters are taken out. 8 liters means around 15%. Around 15% of the mixture is taken out. Then 15% of the milk also taken out. 10% is 4 liters. 5% is 2 liters. Around 6 liters are taken out. So remaining quantity 34.4. Approximately 35 liters is the remaining milk. Next. The following line graph shows the number of bikes produced by 6 companies during the period 2020 to 2025. And the table shows the percentage of unsold bikes. This is total bikes. This is percentage of unsold bikes. First one, What is the difference between the total number of sold bikes and the total number of unsold bikes of company U? Company U unsold 38 means sold 62%. Sold 62%. Difference between 62 and 38. Difference between 62 and 38 means 24% only. 24% of 80,000. Nothing but 19,200 is your answer. Unsold 38 means remaining 62% sold. Difference means 62 minus 38, 24%, 19,200. Next. Total number of sold bikes of company P is approximately what percent of the total number of sold bikes of company T? Company P 35% unsold, then sold 65% of 69,000 is approximately what percentage of the number of bikes sold by company T? Company T unsold 50, sold also 50, 50% of 53,460. 50% of 53,460. What percentage means into 100? So 65% means 50% plus half. So 50% value. 50% value around. See, 50% value means 34,500. 10% 6,900. 5% 3450. 3450. Total 0, 5, 18, 1, 8, 14, 1, 4, 44,850. In this half. 44,850 in this half. Percentage of the total number of sold bikes of company T. 50% of 53.46. And company P's total number of sold bikes 65%. Half means 2 2s are 4, 13, 2 6s are 12, 14, 2 7s are 2 3s are into 100. This is more than 100%, right? Sold bikes of company T. More than 100%. There is no option here. Next. What is the total number of bikes produced by all the companies together to the total number of bikes sold by all the 6 companies together? Question is having some mistake. There is no meaning in the question. Total number of bikes produced. I think it is what is the difference between the I hope the question is like this. What is the difference between the total number of bikes produced by all these companies together to the total number of bikes sold? Bikes produced, bikes sold. Difference means unsold bikes only. So unsold bikes means these are 35% of P, 45% of Q, 30% of R. You need to add all the values. Then only you got the answer. Then only you will get the answer. This is the meaning of the given questions. Thank you.